Okay, it's just what you feel that you have to say. Okay, so there's no correct answer and all that. Okay, right? So now, why did we go to the why? Nehru International School and she's from the first grade. No, she's the one. Okay. You can't throw this away. Consider this as a word. You can't throw it. Your name is? And A and A J. It's good. Okay. Man, look at that. Yeah. Yes, look at that. He's a blind man, he looks for his stick and he's just walking away. Okay, it's good. Come this side so they can all see. Yeah, but he won't keep the thing. Yeah, that was a football. Oh boy, got into one. Okay. What all the qualities that you had to undergo while the process? Can you please share your views?
First of all, my name is Sumedha and I'm from Young India IAS Academy. I'm 16 and I think I'm the senior most along with Aditya, and when I was doing this I just felt like I was a little kid once again. I'm not old enough to say that, but still I felt like I was around the age of 12, 13 because everyone was extremely cooperative. There were some hurdles. We had to figure out who was supposed to be the king, who was supposed to be the queen. After that, I think the queen readily accepted. She was like, yes, I would like to be the queen. We had a few struggles coming up with the king. Then the king was like, okay, fine, I'll be the king. After that, we had to go through assigning who will do what. But what I found was that, like, what we think of children, we think of them as uncooperative and sort of they do their own thing. But I felt that everyone was coming together very nicely. They were willing to help. Everyone was going around. They were asking for things for us, even without us having to say anything. And I think the senior most people, they were really cooperative also. And I just felt that in that short time of span, like everyone, they were working towards a goal, and when they were working towards a goal, they all just wanted to achieve something.
Yeah, very good. Post all the points, but I will ask anybody else, you want to share some points? Yeah, please do.
My name is Anuj and I am from Young India. Okay. My name is Anuj and I am from Young India IAS. But today I got costumed here and there is a lot of mistake done by the times because the sword was not fit for the king, as I put all the tape and it became ugly. But I promise that it should be a real king. I don't have anything to share like after this.
Okay. He said we didn't have staplers, we had a few sellotapes and all, but still, with all the limitations, we have such wonderful people in front of us. That's just because of the cooperation and delegation. Like how she said, ആരെന്ത് ചെയ്യണം എന്നുള്ളത് ഓരോരുത്തരോടും പറഞ്ഞ് എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ കോപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തൊരു റിസൾട്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയത്. സോ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ചിൽഡ്രൻ ഇൻ യുവർ റിയൽ ലൈഫ്സ് ഓൾസോ you have to have the cooperation and teamwork and delegation. Okay, now I think you will speak something. Yes, please come. What is your experience about this event?
Hello, I'm Ananya Vishwesh and I'm from Young India IAS Academy. Actually, when ma'am said that we'll be doing this activity, we had decided another queen, but at the end moment it changed and no one was up for it, so I became the queen. It was very unexpected and we were at the end, so we could not make much like the other teams did, but we tried our best and this was the best we could do in the entire time. Thank you.
Okay. So good.
2, 1, start! Go! Come on!